So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, we're going to go back to CMD. With your scan to be completed. Once it's been 100% complete, now you want to head over to search and type in Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on restart now and check for problems. It's now going to restart. Keep on watching the video. And now as the computer is turning on again, this is going to come up. The Windows Memory Diagnostics tool. You just want to wait for the scan to load fully. It will take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. Just so you know, the scan may appear inactive at times. Do not worry, it is still running. So just let it load and it will be fully completed. If it looks like it's paused, it's not paused, it's still running.